Differentiate y equals ln of 1 over x times radical x plus 1. All right, so we do have a log, well, natural log function, right? So we do know that if y is equal to ln of u, we'll call it, right? Then the derivative, right, dy dx is just 1 over u. But we have to take, by chain rule, right? We have to take the derivative of whatever that inner function is, right? In this case, right, this here will be our u term, essentially, right? Okay. So that's one option, right? We can do that. And certainly, we should be able to find the derivative of 1 over x times radical x plus 1. Okay? But, right, is there another way to do this? And the answer is yes, right? This is a logarithmic function. We can actually expand this first, right? So what do we mean by expand? Well, using the laws, right, we'll get y equals ln of 1, right? That's the term in the numerator, minus ln of x, minus the ln of radical x plus 1. And then we can take the derivative of this now, right? Okay, so once again, using the laws of derivatives, right, with dy dx, we just take the derivative of each of these terms. Okay, so using the log expansion is going to be a lot easier. Okay, well, let's take a look. What is a derivative of ln of 1? Well, remember, ln of 1 is just a number, right? Well, ln of 1 is actually just 0, right? So that's just 0. That doesn't matter. Okay, what is the derivative of ln of x? Right? It's 1 over x times the derivative of x, which is just 1. Okay, we don't need to do that. Multiply by 1, right? And what about this? Okay, the derivative of that, well, it's 1 over radical x plus 1 times the derivative of radical x plus 1. We've done that hopefully enough times, right? It's going to be 1 over 2 radical x plus 1. Of course, with this, there's a couple other things we could do, right? We can convert that to the 1/2 power and then use the power rule to bring that 1/2 out front. So either way, same thing. But notice, yeah, here we can actually multiply these two together. Okay, so what do we end up with? Dy dx equals negative 1 over x minus, in this case, we're going to get 1 over 2x plus 1. And we can leave this as our final answer.